Some weeks we feel good. Some days we feel good. They're traveling around the world. They're eating variable diets. They're on different time zones. Their sleep patterns have been disrupted. So, the biggest challenge really is how do they get back into the place where they know they can play their best golf. The biggest challenge when you've been out of the competitive field is focus. It's almost the X factor of the game, trying to then find a way of getting back into that same space mentally so that they're in that zone. I only started competing again in 2019 when I stayed calm. It wasn't a relaxed, I don't care. It was a relaxed level in a zone. I found myself doing things that I did when I was shooting course records and winning tournaments 20 odd years ago, finding lines off the tee to hit the golf ball in, so I've got the best approach into the flag. I've been addicted to coffee for most of my life. I didn't like how I felt. I felt my body was telling me something. So my first round of golf for the year was played caffeine free. I honestly expected a bit of a hit at some point because there was some chemical detoxing going to take place, but it was manageable, very manageable, and I have a very different sleep now. And I think that's more important than anything to do with golf. You can't get in a good space the next day if you've not slept properly. We know that. I started with a clean slate, so just a regular dropper between 5 and 10 drops at a time now, only twice a day. And we've got the golden pill. The 0 ins. Take one of these in the morning, one in the evening. Within 10 minutes, you are so clear and focused in what you're doing. And subsequently, this is what I took. The Restore, it's what I took. It's a sachet, roughly one of these a day. I got so much energy out on the back nine, but energy to focus on the shots. I've hit more of my best drives in this last round of golf than I've done the last year.